Yeah. Danny to you.
Yeah.
And who do we have here?
What is it?
Lori.
Lori's puppies. They love to shout and today.
Yes, they do. Let's see. Here's yellow collar right here. Isabel named her butterfly already. Here's purple. Purple collar.
And
No collar.
black.
Yes.
Whoa. No. Don't get my hair. Don't get my hair.
Okay, calm down a little bit, honey. Blue over here. And blue. And red. And dark blue. Little one that goes a million miles an hour.
Purple.
Purple right here.
Pink.
Okay, bring it over here. She's hiding over there.
Pink.
There she is. There's Pink Girl.
Oh, the one I'm supposed to follow me.
Yeah, and that's the no collar black. And yellow, and no collar yellow.
This is going out well.
Yeah.
Ooh. They
Way
were
over here, pink and red. And blue beaten up. Who's blue beaten up?
black.
Blue got nipped on his ear, hurt. I would say his, because blue's usually boy color, but we ran out of girl colors. She got nipped on her ear today, and ears love to bleed when they're nipped, so we're going to clean that up like crazy. Should be okay. Here's a little girl. Dark blue and no collar right here. There's yellow up here. Hey, no bite. No biting. Gotcha. Who else do we have?
Purple color.
Somebody's chewing on your doc mixed up in this thing over here.
That's okay.
No collar.
Beside it, it won't break off.
Okay. No collar black. No collar yellow.
Because I
There's
don't
yellow collar.
really mind.
Hey guys. Purple. Hanging out by herself is pink collar.
All by yourself.
Yeah, she's tired. She was up and playing a little while ago. Like crazy. So were you,
Like
Blue?
this.
Is that what they do? Hmm. Blue and red.
This girl got nibbled on this here, and it's like blah blah blah.
Yeah, we gotta
Death.
clean that up a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
So here's everybody.
Yep.
Pink
So-
again.
I hope you enjoyed.
Not yet, not yet. We're gonna take them over. I want everybody to be able to really get a good look at them.
And I can play hopscotch on this.
Better not with the puppies on, okay? Yellow and purple.
What about this one by me?
Okay, dark blue and no collar. Those girls are buddies. They like to hang out. No collar yellow there. And then yellow collar trying to get on the couch. Stay right there. I don't want her to fall off. Left her down now, okay? Thanks, honey. Good job using 2 hands.
Hey,
Who's in here now?
purple.
Red's gonna go to sleep. Red's going to sleep and Blue just went potty. Thanks, honey. Grab the pink girl. I think she needs to go to bed. She's a little tired over there.
Okay.
Underneath the sink, honey.
Huh?
She's under the sink. Here is yellow and no collar. If you can't, she'll come out in a second. Maybe if we squeak one of these.
Good idea.
There she comes. There's Pink Girl. Hey, girl. You guys getting tired? You play long enough? Come here, guys. Come on, puppies.
Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Don't play. Very good. Bad puppies. Bad puppies. Bad.
They're not being bad, honey. Okay, I hope that's a nice video for you to see the puppies growing and doing really, really good. Okay, now you can say it.
Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.